How to see significant locations on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, scroll down to the end and go to System Services. System services that have requested access to your location will appear here. Scroll down and go to Significant Locations. Over here, you can view your location summary and recent records. If you want to clear the history, then tap on Clear History below. Following these steps, you can easily see significant locations on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.